show us how to do carbonara, which is a simple recipient, and there are some details, but I would like to show us everything about it. Well, the first thing we must do, of course, is put the water on the pan. Basically. Now activate the fire. Now put some salt on the water, but after it starts to boil, right? Well, now I have the spaghetti here, and I will show you how to open it in a different way than a traditional way. Well, take the spaghetti with your hand and just simple. Well, now we have the cheese, the eggs, and the bacon here on fry pan. And what we're going to do, we're going to count to 12 and mix. And the cream will form. Why? Because it's very hot and warm. I would say warm, and it will be create the cream.